Hey, this is a quick video update about the channel. So first of all, thanks for all of the subscribers that I've picked up over the last couple of months. I've spent a lot of time focusing on the new Ionic releases for Vue.js and for React. A lot of views, but I really need more folks to kind of click that subscribe button on the bottom. Still have about over 95% of the people watching my content aren't subscribers. Getting additional subscribers will help me begin to start to play some ads to kind of offset some of my costs for creating this content for you. Um, and I expect very soon that I will stop providing source code for my videos, and I will move all of the source code to some sort of kind of paid subscription plan. I haven't exactly figured it out, so please leave some comments below if you have any thoughts or ideas. But I enjoy creating the content. I enjoy sharing with the community, but it's a business like anything else, and I haven't figured out how to get my subscriber count up high enough for me to start running some ads. So I need to find alternative sources for revenue right now. So that's what's going on now. Stay tuned for more content around React. I've been kind of on this Vue run lately, and I looked at my videos and realized I haven't really put anything new on React up in a while, so that should be coming quickly. As usual, please make sure you like, subscribe. Check me out on Twitter at Aaron K. Saunders. Also, check out a lot of the blog posts that go along with these videos are posted on Dev2. And as always, please leave comments below on things that you might find interesting to see posted. Also, please leave me. I'm kind of bouncing around thoughts and ideas on what I should charge for a 24-hour class and just an 8-hour day-long workshop. Um, I want it to be accessible to folks, but I also need to make sure that I'm properly compensated for my time. And the last thing is that, for those who don't know, I do run a software development firm called Clearly Innovative Inc. So if you're working on a project and you need some support, we provide hourly support, we provide day packages. So just let us know whatever you can do. We spent a fair bit of time working with Ionic Framework. We have a lot of experience in it. So please, reach out to us if you need help. Thanks again for everything. Thanks for supporting my channel. And hopefully you all have a good holiday. Bye now.